Imagine a society where your opportunities, your dreams, and even your basic human dignity were limited simply because of the color of your skin, your religion, your gender, or where you came from. This was the lived reality for millions of Americans for too long, and it spurred a monumental movement for change. The 1960 Civil Rights Act was a landmark piece of federal legislation that outlawed discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. It was a direct response to widespread segregation and prejudice, marking a pivotal moment in the ongoing struggle for equality in the United States. The core reason behind the act was to dismantle the pervasive system of racial segregation and discrimination, especially in the southern states, which had been upheld by Jim Crow laws and practices. These laws enforced separate facilities for Black and white Americans, denying equal access to education, employment, and public services. The act asserted the federal government's power to intervene and protect civil liberties, recognizing that state-sanctioned discrimination was a violation of fundamental constitutional rights. This groundbreaking act made it illegal to refuse service to any person in public accommodations, such as restaurants, hotels, and theaters. It also prohibited discrimination by employers and labor unions based on the protected categories, leading to the establishment of the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission to enforce these provisions. Furthermore, it empowered the Attorney General to file lawsuits to desegregate public facilities and schools, effectively giving the federal government the tools to ensure compliance with its mandates. Beyond just outlawing overt discrimination, the act also included specific titles, like Title IV and Title VI, that were crucial for enforcement. Title IV authorized the Attorney General to assist in the desegregation of public education, while Title VI prohibited discrimination in federally funded programs, allowing the government to withhold funds from institutions that practice discrimination. These strong enforcement mechanisms were vital because they provided real leverage to ensure the Act's provisions were actually implemented. Ultimately, the 1960 Civil Rights Act fundamentally reshaped American society by mandating equal treatment and opportunity for all citizens, regardless of their background. It paved the way for further advancements in civil rights, helping to create a more just and inclusive nation where every individual has the right to pursue their aspirations free from prejudice and systemic barriers.